Alright guys, so tonight we are going to be making it's a keto staple. I'm going to put my own little flair on it, but it's going to be a egg roll in a bowl. Some people call it crack slaw. We've got 2 pounds of ground pork, shiitake mushrooms, garlic, onion stalks, an actual onion, cabbage. We're also going to be using ground ginger, liquid aminos, which are keto soy sauce, so you don't have the carbs. Anyhow, all right guys, so we're gonna get a crack-a-lackin'. Almost all this video is going to be sped up because it's pretty simple stuff. A head of lettuce or head of cabbage, red onion. We're going to be slicing them really thin like that. Same with the cabbage. So welcome to Sped Up with Doc and Mosey. Guys, so here we have one thinly sliced onion. It's between medium and large. It is a 2 pounds worth of pork. Now you can substitute that out for beef or chicken, whichever you prefer, ground. We have 1 cup of sliced shiitake mushrooms, half a cup of green onions. It's the stalks. I'm going to use them mostly for garnish. I might add in a little bit. I have 1 head of thinly sliced cabbage. Now, I'm going to go ahead and add it now so you'll see it. That is 2 tablespoons of ground ginger, 2 cloves of garlic, and a half a cup of amino acids. That's going to be our sauce. I'm going to go ahead and add that now, just to make expediency here in a bit. Now, I've done all of this and I haven't even turned the oven on yet. I wanted to field prep, listen to me. I wanted to prep everything out before I even got the beef cooking. It's kind of the way I'm going to be moving our videos now as well. And exciting times. So we'll see you in a bit. Which is 2 tablespoons. I'm going to eyeball it. You know me, I eyeball shit all the time, baby. Doing a little bit of between 2 and 4 tablespoons of oil. And now we are going to throw in our thinly sliced onions. And we'll time lapse it out until the onions are browned as well. As our onions are starting to wilt up and soften, we are going to throw in our shiitake mushrooms. We'll leave the onions out for now, but we want to get those mushrooms in now as well. And let them rock and roll with the onions and the pork and the juices. Now, we've got our onions. They're really close to being brown. They're reduced down. Our shiitakes are looking really good. Now we are going to be adding in our amino acids, as well as the ginger and the garlic. Oh, listen to it. Hear that music? Oh, it's working its magic, baby. Oh my God. It smelled great before, now it's unreal. We're going to be adding in a little quick, like 2 tablespoons of red chili pepper flakes. It's honestly, it's more for just a tad bit of spice, but it's more for garnishment. It'll look really, really pretty in the bowl. So here we go with our 1 head of lettuce. See how thinly they're sliced? Not that, well, that is. I just gotta push it through. We've done it fancy. We took a bulb of an onion and sliced it real thin. And we took a shiitake mushroom. Now I have a video of this. This is my own Asian red chili pepper flake oil. So